written by Anant Garg, who wants an explanation on the three bucket strategy for a retiree to get regular income from his retirement corpus, and he also wants to know which category of mutual funds should be used in each bucket.
The idea with the three bucket system for retirement is really to apportion your retirement corpus across different time buckets which are suitable for that time horizon and help you derive regular income. So for instance, the money that you need as regular income in say the next 1.5 year has to be invested in an absolutely safe way so that your income need during this while is well taken care of, and returns is a secondary criteria. So products like liquid funds suit for this kind of a bucket. Then as we move slightly beyond, say up till the next 3 to 4 years, the idea is to generate steady growth even though the returns might be modest, but the idea is to not take any undue risks and largely invest in high quality debt products. Something like high quality short duration funds can fit the bill here. And then beyond that, for a slightly longer term horizon, the idea is to invest in a way that your investments are able to generate inflation beating returns for those long years of retirement. And for that, in this bucket, it is necessary to add a little bit of equity to your overall mix of investments. Now, taking all of this together, the way we recommend retirees to invest their retirement corpus is that they can allocate the income requirement for the next 1.5 years in one or two good liquid funds, and from there they can simply set up a systematic withdrawal plan to derive monthly income. Apart from that, they can look to allocate about a third of their total accumulation in a few good equity products, such as one or two good multi-cap funds, which over a long term should aim to generate inflation beating returns. And then the balance amount can be invested in a few high quality fixed income alternatives, such as high quality short duration funds. For this bucket, even some of the government sponsored schemes like the senior citizens savings scheme can be appropriate. So the idea is, once one sets up his retirement portfolio in this way, then one can rebalance these allocations periodically, say at the start of every year, to restore the equity allocation to one third of the remaining allocation. And for the next 1 year's income requirement, that can be shifted to a liquid fund. And this way, this allocation can keep rolling on and one can keep deriving regular income year after year. Now, the important ingredient for this kind of a framework to work is that one should not go overboard and be too aggressive with his withdrawal plan, more so at the start of the retirement phase. So one should typically aim to withdraw not more than say 4 to 5% of one's accumulation in any year as retirement income. Otherwise, one would end up drawing down his or her accumulation at a very rapid pace and face the risk of outliving one's retirement savings. So that's broadly in a nutshell the framework of three bucket system.